The launch of the second generation Tesla Roadster has been delayed again, and this time the launch is predicted in 2023, while the actual year was supposed to be in customers' hands was 2020. From its surprise splash in the 2017's Tesla Semi event, Tesla lovers were too excited about the launch of this mighty Roadster. Elon Musk promised this new Roadster would be the quickest car in the world, with record-breaking acceleration, range, and performance. But while the buzz is too high to see the Tesla Roadster 2.0 on the road, continuous delays of the launch can turn into immense frustration also. Then why is Elon Musk delaying the Tesla Roadster from getting on board? And where is the Elon Musk promised world's quickest car right now? Let's check it out. First debuted in 2006, Roadster was always a hit on the roads. It was the first electric vehicle on the road that used a lithium-ion battery for power and the first all-electric vehicle that travels more than 200 miles per charge. As the two-seater Roadster was a pretty groundbreaking vehicle, the base model of the first car was featured with a wide range of 244 miles. On a full charge, this electric motor was good for 248 horsepower and 200 pound-feet of torque. The upgraded base model, launched in 2008, could sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.6 seconds and had a top speed of 125 miles per hour. Now, Tesla is leveling up its edge. The second version of the Tesla Roadster will have a giant leap from its first generation. The top speed of the Tesla Roadster will be more than 250 miles per hour, with 10,000 Newton meters of wheel torque and 620 miles of range. Also, the Tesla Roadster will have a much higher acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 1.9 seconds. Even being a supercar to set all performance records, this is the first time you will be getting a four-seater inside. The roof will be a lightweight removable glass that stores on the trunk when you want to get some fresh air and convertible driving experience. Also, later Musk had promised the next generation Roadster would be sold with a premium SpaceX option. It will include rocket thrusters to allow the car to hover far above the ground. Now, that's quite mind-buzzing. So we can say a $200,000 price tag on a Tesla Roadster does justify its features. However, you don't have to pay the whole amount at first. Just a $50,000 down payment is accepted by Tesla for the base reservation. So it's pretty evident that those who made a bunch of investment in this cherry-colored Tesla are looking forward to getting this car on hand soon. But what made this giant car company delay the Tesla Roadster launch? As said before, Tesla Roadster was supposed to debut in 2020. Elon has delayed the launch 3 times in a row. In 2020's second quarter, Elon first stated in a financial conference call that the production of Tesla Roadster would start in 2021 mid. But at the start of 2021, Elon tweeted that the delay would continue till 2022. According to his comment at the time, the company would finish the engineering to have a candidate design drivable late summer. Thus, it continued to disappoint its buyers. In September 2021, Musk again tweeted on supply shortage and mentioned the delay of the Tesla Roadster until 2023. According to that tweet, the supply chain shortage in the industry is delaying company deliveries of all new 17 products. Musk and his executives have also discussed a parts and chip shortage on earnings calls, which signify production delays. Also, in the second quarter shareholder call in 2021, Musk discussed the big struggle in getting enough modules to control the airbags and seatbelts in the company cars. Even the production of Semi and Cybertruck models promised in 2017 and 2019 have also been limited due to supply shortage. So Tesla has raised some vehicle prices and removed some parts to meet the deadline. However, Tesla is not the only company in the industry facing this problem. Companies like Toyota and Ford are also slashing production volumes to cope with chip shortages. Thus, it's obvious the pandemic situation of the last few years hasn't gone according to plan for anyone in any industry. But along with this supply chain shortage, Tesla is also incapable of keeping its promise of giving the world the fastest car. The Model S Plaid of Tesla has already broken the lofty goal of a 0 to 60 time in under 2 seconds. In contrast, it can run a quarter mile in 9.2 seconds, which is just 3/10 of the 8.9 targets for the Roadster. However, it's clear that Tesla is far away from completing its promise of giving the world's fastest car and record-setting acceleration. And the company chain shortage has added to the miseries for the company. Though missing deadlines is not a new thing for Tesla, the lack of information sets alarms regarding the Tesla Roadster. Even those who are eagerly awaiting for their pre-ordered Roadster after paying $50,000 could have been a millionaire if invested in Tesla stock. From the time the Roadster launched till now, Tesla's stock price has increased up to $1,000, which means you could have earned $4 million from that down payment. However, what do you think? Will we be able to see the Tesla Roadster in 2023, or will we have to wait longer for this iconic version of the Roadster?